Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. KB5030300 is not installing, facing the error. So how to fix? Firstly guys, click to start button, then setting, then scroll down, click to troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and run Windows troubleshooter. This one, and wait few minutes. Next, second solutions. Click again start button, type services, this one, open, select W means Windows Update, scroll down, this is Windows Update, and if you are showing restart, so click restart and wait few minutes. Then guys, third solutions, update your drivers, right click to device manager, then guys extract display and right click to drivers on update driver automatically and close. I already installed that will show, so you have not updated your driver, so looking like install this, then close. Next solution, then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow, you look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care. And you comment me have any issues, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye. Then guys, open any browser, type manual this update, type Kata Microsoft Catalog, and enter. Type first, and then guys type KB5030300 2 times 0, then click to search, then which is latest and Windows 10 22H2. This is actually guys 32-bit. Do not install this. If you have a 32-bit, so install this one. So I suggest you click fourth one, click to download, show the link, then guys click to this link and wait few minutes. This is installing, and install, single click to run, next and install, then you restart your system. Okay, bye bye.